Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add stickers to keyboard on iOS 17. Okay, first things first, begin by opening your iMessage application, just as you normally would to send a message. Next is to open the keyboard by tapping the text bar of your iMessage. You should be able to see an option labeled Send Stickers. If you don't see this exact wording, look for a button that says Show Stickers and tap on this option. In the stickers section, you'll see various stickers and emojis if you already uploaded one. However, if not, what you want to do is to add your sticker is to tap the plus button and this will take you to your Photos application. Just browse and select the specific photo you want to add as a sticker to your keyboard. You can also adjust the size of your sticker by tapping and holding it. So once it's highlighted, you can drag it to the desired size. When you are ready to add it, and once you are satisfied, just tap Add Sticker. And it is now ready to be sent to anyone if you must. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now add stickers to keyboard on iOS 17. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.